Hi everyone, this is Master XAU with SN. In this video, I will analyze the chart of gold, BTC and DXY. This is weekly analysis from 27th July to 31st July. Now start the analysis with the chart of gold. Gold, we all know, is bearish in daily and weekly time frame. The daily resistance for gold. This is the daily resistance level of gold, which is 4386. 4386 is the daily resistance. If gold sweeps this level or tests this level and we get the confirmation on the smaller time frame, we can look to sell gold. And for this, gold will have to reach at 4380 or almost 4350, 4370. All this is selling area for the gold. This is daily resistance level. If we move to the weekly time frame, we see that this is the resistance area starting from 4339, 4278. All this zone is the weekly resistance area. This is first resistance. And QML area for selling is 4550. Both of these zones are selling zones on the weekly time frame. If we move to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that what is going to happen, what is chart saying. My take on gold is bullish in shorter term. Okay, this is the area. If gold breaks this level and it comes to sweep this level, I will look to buy gold from this zone. I repeat my words again. This is very important level, which is 4021. If gold holds this level and it moves upside and it has one closing above 4165. If gold goes up, it gives one 4-hour closing above 4165 and again it comes down and sweeps this level, which is 4021. I would look to buy gold because gold will become bullish after giving closing above this level above 4165. Now I move to the smaller time frame, which is 1 hour area, as I am looking to buy gold. Okay, this is, I would concentrate on this level. If I move to the 30 minutes and then 15 minutes, this level is very important, which is 4031. If gold comes down and sweeps this level, I would love to buy gold. If it gives me confirmation, if it tests this demand zone, this low, if gold tests this low or sweeps this low, and it does not give any closing below this level, any closing of 15-minute or 5-minute, gold should not give even a single closing below this level, then I would love to buy gold, and this should be my first TP, this one, which is 4082. If I would love to be safer than 4075, this is the trade I would like to give you, you have to manage the risk. This should be the TP1 and this should be the TP2 4100 and this will be the third TP, which is 4165. So first TP, second TP and third TP, but gold should not give any single closing below this low. Okay, this level is very important, 4031. Now I move to the 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame. This low gold should hold. Okay, now if we move to the bigger time frame, if gold gives one 4 hour closing and it comes down and it gives, it sweeps this level and it gives any smaller time confirmation, I would again love to buy gold. This should be the scenario. The second time, if gold sweeps 4020, I would again love to buy gold, and this would be my SL, which is 3960. This is if gold holds 4031, I would buy from here. If gold holds this low 4021, after giving closing above 4165, again I would love to buy gold with this SL, which is 3960. On the other hand, if gold comes down and it gives closing below this low, if gold gives closing below this low, I would love to sell gold. And my TP would be and my TP would be 3943. If gold is not able to hold this low, any 1 hour closing below 4021 directly or after pullback, I would look to sell gold, and this can be the scenario for after giving 1 hour closing below this level. This can be the scenario which is 1 ratio 1.3. I am very aggressive in selling. I would become seller if gold gives 1 hour closing below 4021. This is all about gold. Okay, now we move to the chart of BTC. BTC is bullish in daily time frame, and this low is very important for BTC. BTC should not give any 4 hour closing or daily closing below 61700. If BTC sweeps this low, I would love to buy BTC till 67,000 almost, or 66,700. Okay, this low is very important. If BTC breaks this low, then what should we do? We should wait and we should look to sell gold. If BTC gives closing and it comes up, we should sell BTC. The selling is from this zone and SL is over here. Selling starts from 65,000 almost, and my first TP would be this one, 61,300, and second TP would be this one. If BTC is not able to hold this low, then I will sell BTC from this area. If it sweeps this low, then I will buy BTC from this zone. I would love to buy from this zone with SL, this one, and this should be my TP. So you have to think both ways. You have to, wait for the levels. This level will make or break. This level is very important. If I go to the daily time frame, then I can see that these three red candles breaking lows of each other are saying that BTC is going to be bearish and it is going to break its low, which is 57,800. Okay, I am bearish and looking to sell BTC preferably, and I am bullish in gold. This is all about weekly analysis. We do live streaming on our channel Master FX Moves. Link of that channel is given in description. Do like and subscribe our channel and come to the live stream to see our results and our analysis on daily and weekly basis. And you can, observe how we do trading, how we do analysis, how we do trading on basis on market structure. This is all about weekly analysis. Bye bye. This is SN.